So today I'm making some taco rice or taco salad, just depending on what your macro goals are. So I'm going to start off with that ground beef, just getting it a little bit brown, and I'm going to start cutting my veggies now. So I just cut up one large orange bell pepper and then an onion as well. I took the ground beef out after it was done cooking, and I just kind of drained the fat, but I left a little bit in there, just a little bit, and I'm going to use that to saute those veggies. Threw my onions in there first. I'm going to try to just get them a little bit translucent, maybe get some color on them as well. And over here I have my rice cooking. You want to make sure that you rinse your rice before you throw it in a rice cooker, just to release some of that starch. Alright, so you can see the onion starting to get translucent and there's a little bit of color. That's kind of that onion starting to caramelize. So it's looking good. Let's go ahead and throw our peppers in there now. Looking good and already smelling super good. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in here right off the bat. Alright, so I just added my ground beef back into my veggies. I'm going to give it a stir and then add my taco seasoning. We're just adding regular taco seasoning into this, nothing special, and bam. So according to taco seasoning, you have to add a little bit of water in there just to kind of get the seasoning to spread all over the meat. So make sure you do that, otherwise you're just going to have seasoning in certain places of your dish, but you want to get it all throughout. So make sure you add at least a little bit of water. And then let it simmer just a little bit, kind of on a medium heat, to keep those flavors soaking into the meat. Alright, it's all good. I like to put a little bit of dressing on top. I like something like this, or even ranch dressing, just a little bit.